All right, what is up, ninjas? In this video, we're going to be talking about how to use Manychat to get customer reviews, also to build sales, sales velocity, drive external traffic, do a lot of fun things. But the main focus of this video is going to be about how to actually get reviews and also, build a couple, initial velocity and external traffic while you're doing it. And simultaneously, as a kind of three-peat triple benefit, you're going to build subscribers to your Manychat messenger bot so that you can then, send broadcasts to them down the line with future products, future product launches, discounts, holiday giveaways, and things like that. And so this is just Canva. This is just a little PNG. I just literally searched giveaway PNG and added it to this main image and then downloaded it as a PNG, which I'm going to keep right here. So this is going to be the image that we're going to run on Facebook. A comments to message plugin in Manychat. And I'm going to teach you how to do this all, right? So inside of Facebook, we're going to create an engagement, post-engagement campaign. And we're not going to worry about any of this. Obviously, you'd have to set all of this according to whatever your product is, but I don't know what all of your product is, what all of your products are, right? You can use custom audiences if you have data like we talked about like previously in the course, or if you've created lookalike audiences from past orders via email append or via your pixelme.me link, whatever the case may be. And then you can hone down in on your target demographic, any detailed targeting, things like that. Obviously, we like to edit the placement so it's only feeds, but this video is not about all of that. We've talked about Facebook ads in other videos. And obviously, Facebook ads is incredibly complicated, which is why I created an entire course on it. If you're interested, check it out. So what we're going to do is actually create our ad here. And we're going to, here we go, create ad, single image. We're going to upload an image. We're going to use what we just created, right? And then the text inside of it is going to say this, right? Everyone is raving about this new coffee grinder, and I know this is a coffee canister, but I just already wrote this for a coffee grinder. So you'd change this text to say, everyone is raving about, this amazing brand new coffee grinder. To celebrate our hugely successful launch, we decided to give away 100 coffee grinders absolutely free. These will not last long. To claim yours, all you have to do is comment. And I like to use a little emoji finger here, so it like kind of draws their attention to what they have to do. And then anybody who comments yes on this post is going to automatically get a message via Manychat with further instructions. And that's going to be like the primary portion of this video. We're going to be talking about actually how to do that. But this is like the main thing you have to do so you can then select this post later on inside of the growth tools. So on this post, and we'll shoot you a message with the details on how to claim yours. How's that for an awesome deal? PS, we're running out fast, so I would hurry if you want in on the action, right? And so there doesn't need to be a button here because literally all they're doing is commenting. And I like to point out exactly what they have to do. And I like to see it above the preview actually. So let's shorten this. These will not last long, comment yes. So now it's above the little preview here. So we would confirm this. I'm not actually going to confirm it, but we would confirm it and then we'd be able to select it in the next step, right? And I'll show you exactly how to do that. So we are inside of Manychat right now. This is a growth tool called comment to messages. So this basically means when anybody actually says a specific thing as a comment on your Facebook ad, remember all Facebook ads are also Facebook posts. So this means whenever anybody comments yes, right, it's going to trigger this tool and it's going to trigger our automation, right? And if you remember, we said comment yes, right? So these have to match obviously. And so what happens then when a user leaves a comment, send message immediately. If they say something like fake, spam, hate, liars, whatever, we're going to exclude those people because they're sad anyways. Facebook post for comment tracking, we're going to select a post, right? And once we create this ad, our post is going to be selectable on our page that's linked with Manychat, right? So like whatever page you use for your business, you also have to set up Manychat with that page. There's going to be a button directly under this video that is going to allow you to download this exact tool, so you don't have to do anything. As always, guys, I always want to give you 100% of what you need from a resource perspective to be incredibly successful. So when someone actually comments yes, the automatic response sends them a message. So let's say that my friend Jason out there in the world comments yes on this ad. Right as he comments yes, into his messenger inbox comes, hey Jason, I saw you're interested in getting our coffee grinder. Reply yes, and we'll get you the info to get your free coffee grinder ASAP, right? And they have to actually reply again. I use the same word because people already kind of wrote yes and they're used to doing it. You can use different words if you want. I've always found good success with like very short, easy to write words like yes. And so they actually have to opt in a second time, so Facebook confirms they're actually interested. And then once they reply yes to this message, then they actually get the opt-in message, right? The opt-in message is when the sequence starts. And so let me show you the magic inside of here. And again, this is going to be all imported to you guys at the click of a button. So what happens is when they respond yes a second time, you say, boom, Jason, your promo code is free 99, right? This free 99 code you're setting up inside of Amazon. So like when we talked about in the launch module, you can set up one-time use codes or you can set up group codes. Whenever you're running giveaways and whenever you're doing stuff like this, you want to make absolutely sure that your max order quantity is set to 1. And I'm actually going to show you guys really quickly what that looks like, just so that we're like 1000% on the same page about that, because it's incredibly important. So let's say that we are going to do a giveaway for like the next 2 weeks. What we want to do is come in here and set a max order quantity right here to 1. This means that no one can abuse your giveaway and order like all 500 of your units of your product at 99% off. So make 100% sure that your max order quantity is set to 1 during your giveaway period, right? You can also, inside of promotions, you can set up what's called a limit 1 redemption per customer when you're actually doing giveaways and percentage off stuff. We already talked about that, so we're not going to talk about that again, but it's just very, very important that your group code is set up and you have max order to quantity set to 1, and also you have limit 1 redemption per customer, right? And so they basically they know their code is free 99. We've applied the max discount Amazon allows. PS, this discount expires today, so make sure to order it ASAP. And so what we're going to do is we're going to add the link here. So we're going to go to add button, and this will all be done for you guys. I just want to show you what I'm doing just so it kind of makes sense. Claim yours. We're going to open the website, and this is going to be the website URL of our product here. So what we're going to do is we're going to copy this. We don't really care for this specific link about Amazon Associates because we're not trying to track return on investment of ad spend. So all we're going to do is we're going to grab this link here, and we're going to come in and we're going to do into pixelme.me, and we're going to grab our pixelized link with our pixel that we assigned previously, right? And so we're going to grab this link here, and we're going to plug it in as the website address. And then we are going to finish, right? And so what this allows them to do then is they go straight to the website. You can pixel them. You now have them as part of your broadcasting, so that let's say that 100 people claim this. You can then directly message 100 people straight to their messenger inbox saying, hey, we have another product, want 20% off or 50% off or whatever. Whenever you're launching, it makes it so much easier to launch subsequent launches, especially in horizontally related stuff. Or if people just like freebies and free deals, then they're probably going to freaking take anything. So we're going to press done here. And now we're going to be able to create custom audiences and retarget these people with Facebook ads. And we're going to have them as Messenger bot broadcast subscription so that we can message them directly to their inbox. So we can reach them multiple ways, which of course is extremely valuable. So they claim theirs, they buy it today because we got them on the scarcity a little bit. And then what happens is 3 days later it says, hey Jason, just wanted to check in with you. And the reason that I did 3 days, and no one else is doing this, guys, so it's like incredibly ripe and it's working so well. Literally no one has talked about this because no one's doing it except for us and the Ninja fam. And so, hey Jason, just wanted to check in with you on your coffee grinder. Are you enjoying it? Any issues at all? Right? And the reason we wait 3 days is because of obviously of Prime shipping. Usually it takes 2 days, but often it can take up to 3. And I wanted to give them like 1 day kind of leeway. You can even do 4 if you want to be more on the conservative side. But most of the time they're going to say love it. If they don't and they say it's okay, we say thank you for the feedback. We're very serious about customer input. Could you please let us know what about our coffee grinder could be better by responding to this message, right? And no matter what they respond, we show us typing as 60 seconds, and then we say thank you so much for the feedback, Jason. We will work to get that fixed immediately. As a family-owned small business on Amazon, feedback literally makes or breaks our business when competing with big corporate sellers. It would mean the world to us if you could leave us a review on Amazon. Would you be willing to do that to support our small business? Right? And if they say no again, then they're just not going to do it, and that's that. But if they say, yes, they will do it, then what happens is, great, here's the link to leave a review right on Amazon. Please respond done once you've left us an honest review. I appreciate you, right? And the reason that I say please respond done is because people will forget if you don't do it like that, but they want to like prove to you they've actually done it, and so they'll actually write done, and it's increased our actual review percentages like hugely, right? So that's only if they say no. If they say yes, you say love it. I'm so happy you love it. You love it. As a small business competing with large corporate sellers, your feedback means the world to us. Would you do me the biggest favor and leave us an honest review on Amazon? It would help us massively, right? If they say no thanks, again, that's okay. But if they say, of course, like most people are going to do when you give them free stuff, you say, great, here's the link to leave a review right on Amazon. Please respond done once you have left us an honest review. And so the last thing that you guys need to do here is in this button, the leave a review, right? This is the review link, amazon.com/review/create review ASIN equals. But obviously I don't know what your ASIN is. And so you'll need to come in here and actually take your ASIN, whatever your product's ASIN is, and actually replace it inside of this link. And then once you click it, what happens is, and this isn't going to work because I haven't actually bought this. I'm actually curious to see what happens, but if you had bought it, it would appear in your recent orders and things like that, and then you'd be able to, oh, okay, so it does. So this would, if somebody's actually bought it, then they can directly to their review, so that you just remove 100% of the friction, and it's really just a beautiful way to get people pixeled so you can retarget them, get people into your Manychat subscribers list so you can send messages to them for future sales, discounts, product launches, things like that, and to garner reviews from people who are completely unrelated to you, just all over the USA, right? Complete strangers. And the cool thing about this is once you kind of open dialogue, you can literally message these people in your page messages. Like if these people are cool, then you could say, hey, I have this other product. If you want to buy it, I'll send you a refund 100% on PayPal. And I'm not saying do this with everyone, but like some of the people are going to be really grateful and happy. And if you're worried about the unverified reviews of the discounts and things like that, then some of these people you can actually open real conversations with in your page messages. And opening conversations with cool people who want free stuff. They're willing to hook you up with a review that takes them 2 minutes. It's worth it to you. It's worth it to them to get free stuff. And you start to build up, a following of people that you can remarket to via Messenger, which is kind of the new email marketing. So I know that was a lot, guys, and I know that's probably one of our more advanced videos, but I tried to make this as easy as I possibly could for you through every single step. Obviously, you're going to have to edit the promo code everywhere it says coffee grinder, right? You're going to have to edit your pixel.me link, coffee grinder, everywhere that is, specific to this particular discount. And obviously the review link would have to be for your particular ASIN. So you have to kind of go through it and update things, but the link to download this directly into Manychat will be underneath this video. And all you have to do is sign up to Manychat. I think it's actually free or like $10 or something super cheap for your first 1,000 subscribers. And it's the most worth it investment you could possibly make, guys. So this is brand new stuff. No one else is doing this anywhere. And so, take the extra effort, learn how to do this, launch Facebook ads. It's going to be super cheap to get people into your ecosystem, and it's going to help you enormously from a sales velocity and from a review perspective. So I hope you guys enjoyed that one, ninjas, and let's get to the next.